Hi, I'm Sharia Shobhan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install tmux on CentOS 7 and RHEL 7. Let's get started. First, open up your terminal. I'm using CentOS 7 server without any desktop environment installed, so our terminal session is always open. Now update the yum package repository cache with sudo yum makecache. This isn't really required, but I like to do this manually just to make sure everything is alright. Now, install tmux with sudo yum install tmux-y. Tmux should be installed. Now you can run tmux with the command tmux. I'm gonna press Ctrl D to exit out of tmux. That's it. I'll show you how to use tmux in a later video. Please subscribe my channel if you like what I do and to keep yourself notified about my future video. And thank you for watching.